welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Financial Planning. My name is Mpho, aka the Modern Financial Advisor, and in today's video, firstly, we are in November, so I'll be talking about Black Friday because there's no holiday in November, nothing really exciting besides Black Friday in November. So I'll be giving you guys 3 tips on how we can outsmart this Black Friday thing. Now, before we get into the content, remember that none of the videos I make are personal financial advice. If you're looking for personal financial advice, please speak to your personal financial advisor, right? So Number one, and the most important, I want to talk about rewards programs that we have with our financial institutions, right? So a lot of us sign up for these rewards programs. When you take out a new bank account, they ask you, oh, do you want to be part of what are the rewards? Oh, yes, sure. But then you don't really know how to utilize that or how those rewards actually work for you. So I want to talk about those financial or those rewards programs that we sign up for that we have with our banks. Obviously, a reward program, the more you spend from your card, the more you make purchases from your card using your bank card, the more they reward you, either through cashbacks, either through vouchers. You've got your e-bucks, your U-count rewards, and so forth that you can convert into cash, right? So let's see if we can actually utilize those when we go into Black Friday, because a lot of our financial institutions have partners that they are partnered with. So you will find that they have a grocery store that they partnered with. If you buy your groceries from this shop, they give you a cashback of so much, or they give you a discount of so much. If you belong to a medical scheme as well, you've got your vitalities through Discovery, you've got your momentum multiplies, you've got your Sanlam has another one, and then Fed Health also has another one. I can't remember all of them from the top of my head, but a lot of the financial institutions have wellness programs and reward programs that they reward their clients for engaging in their products and having more products with them, right? So the reason why I want us to utilize our financial rewards with our financial institutions is that if your institution says they're going to give you an additional 5% when you make a purchase on Black Friday, you're already buying an item that's marked down. So wouldn't you want that additional 5% to mark it further down to what it is, to what the store has already marked it down to? And guys, times are tough. People don't have money, and we've got so much to we've got financial commitments, you've got your rent, you've got your bonds and all of that. So any little cent that you can save when you're doing your shopping on Black Friday would really, really go a long way. So if you don't know how the rewards programs work, contact your financial institution, speak to your banker, speak to your financial advisor on how you can utilize these rewards, how you can maximize your rewards as well. And, it's not just utilizing, especially with the wellness programs. Some of them you find that you just need to go and do a wellness assessment, health check, and, you get an additional discount to get your health check. Go and do your health check, and then, you'll have a discount or an additional 10% for doing your health check. Those simple things, really, really go a long way. If you can save 500 Rand, if you can save 100 Rand, if you can save 50 Rand from your shopping on Black Friday, that would really go a long way. And you can take that money and put it into your savings, or you can use it for something else that you would have loved to buy, but you didn't have money for, because those additional discounts will then make some money available for you to spend or to save, but rather to save, right? Let's not spend it all, guys. Let's save a little bit. And that brings me to point number 2, or tip number 2. If you are planning to make a big purchase, right? A big purchase could be furniture, a fridge, a washing machine, a camera, a new cell phone, whatever big purchase that you were planning to make. Firstly, you should have planned for it. You should have budgeted for it. So if you made the decision in January, for example, if you knew that, okay, this year I want to buy a TV and I specifically want to buy it on Black Friday or on Cyber Monday, make sure that you have allocated money for that from January. So if your TV is going to cost you 10,000 Rand, right, you should have broken it down to say, okay, from January to November, how much do I need to put it away? So there's 11 months between January and November, or let's split it around 10 months. So you have to put aside 1,000 rand every month for you to have 10,000 rand at the end of of November when you go and buy your item on Black Friday. Because I mean, where will you get the money to make a big purchase if you haven't budgeted for it? You're not going to take your bond money and go and buy a TV and choose not to pay the bond that month. You're not going to take your car installment money and choose not to pay for your car that month. Not going to happen. Not in a million years. So make sure that you have saved for whatever that you want to buy. And when you go shopping, guys, if you have a surplus in your income, make sure that you have money that is available to spend. And money that is available to spend is not money that the medical aid has not taken because they will only debit at the end of the month and Black Friday is on the 25th. That is not money available to you. The fact that it's in your account, it doesn't mean that it's available to you. Right. And that brings me to point number 3. Guys, Black Friday happens around the 25th of the month, around the 25th of November. And, we'll then go into December, and then a lot of us get paid around the around the 15th in December, right? So from the 25th of November to the 15th of December, you have plus minus 3 weeks till your next paycheck. So someone will say, oh, okay, then I can spend my petrol money for this week on shopping, or I can afford to miss my bond repayment because anyway, I'm going to get a bonus in December. No, don't do it. Guys, let's not do it like that, because when that paycheck comes in December, you have your kids' Christmas clothes to buy, and you have Christmas groceries, there's parties, there's weddings, there's this, there's that, there's so many things that will be happening in December, and you would have forgotten to pay your bond, or you would have forgotten to pay your car because you missed your car repayment on the 25th. Garwena, you took your money and you went shopping. So make sure that whatever money that you spend during Black Friday is money that is actually available to spend, and that you do not default on any of your repayments. I'll leave it here for now, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. If there's anything that you want us to tackle on this platform, feel free to leave a comment. Follow us on Instagram. It's the Modern Financial Advisor. For now, it's goodbye.